mango float here in the province. So I have, for the ingredients guys, I have mango. I use 3 mango. And then I have Alaska evap milk. And then I have Alaska condensed milk. Alaska condensed milk. And then I have all-purpose cream. I use all-purpose cream, the Nestle. And then I have some Graham biscuits. And then all this plastic tupperware. And so yeah, let's start. So first, I would like to slice all the mango. Slice ang mango. This is all the sliced mango guys that I make. And then I have Pyrex here where I am going to put all the ingredients. I'm going to put first I will put down the all-purpose cream. All-purpose cream guys. All-purpose cream. Put here kasi I'm using Pyrex because I don't have a bowl. So I'm using Pyrex. Square Pyrex. They mix here with evap milk. Evap. They mix ko yung evap. Lahat na ng evap. And then this one. The condensed milk. Condensed milk. Condensed milk guys. Condensed milk. That. And then mix lang na mabuti. You have to mix it well. Mix it well in the bowl or in the Pyrex or whatever you have there. For me, I don't have bowl, so I use this Pyrex. So this is it, pansit na. And then next guys is we have to open the Graham biscuit. So I put this aside so that I can assemble it on the tupperware. Here, assemble na natin. I have tupperware here. Here guys. tupperware here. So first, I have to open the biscuit. Graham. Let me see Graham. I don't have Graham pass, so I will be using the biscuits. The Graham biscuits. Graham biscuits, guys, like this. So then first is I have to put some on the, this is it, guys. First guys, first guys, I will have some of this mixture. Put it on the bottom. Put it in the bottom. Put in the bottom first. This is how the way I make it. Next, guys, I will put the biscuits like that. Like that, guys. I put the biscuits on the bottom. Like that, guys. Uy, hindi mo siya nakasya. Like that. Like that. Now, after put the bottom, the biscuit, yeah. Next is, lagyan natin ulit ng konting cream. The mixture that we make. And then the mango, the sliced mango, you put it, you arrange it well. Arrange the mango. Like that. I already washed my hands, guys, so there's really no worries about this because I really washed my hand. I really washed my hand. Promise, guys, I wash my hand. Like that, arrange lang sa, like that, arrange lang natin yung mango, second layer, the mango. And then we have to put the cream again. Cream, the mixture, I mean. Like that. So, guys. Like that, guys. And then we have to put another layer of the biscuit. The biscuit, guys. The biscuit. Like that. Huwag baliktarin yung biscuit. Huwag baliktarin yung biscuit. Like that. And then we put cream on it. Cream, guys. Cream. Little cream. Put the cream. Put the cream on it. On top. Pag nalagay na yung cream, lagyan natin ng mango. Mango again, guys. Mango again. Mango. Mango, guys. Mango. Ilalagay natin. Kasi mango float to eh. So, lagyan ng mango talaga. Of course, mango is the subject on this one. Of course, mango, that's it. So now, guys, after the mango, you have to put the cream. Cream, again a cream. Like that. So this is now, guys. But now, before that, so I want to crush some biscuit, guys, in the plastic. Crush natin yung biscuit. So, I want to put topping. Lagayan mo ng topping. crushed graham. So I will crush it manually like this. Out on the plastic. Tapos durugin na ng ganyan, guys. Durugin mo lang ng maigi. Tapos pag durog na yung biscuit mo, durugin mo ng mabuti. You have to crush it very good, and then once it crushed, guys, you have to put it on top of your float, mango float. Lagyan mo ng crushed graham, and then this again. Like that. So this is our finished product, guys. Mango float. Then put in the freezer overnight, and then the following day ready to serve. So just repeat the procedure, guys. Repeating the procedure only, and then ilalagay natin sa ref. Wait, punong-puno siya, guys. So I hope you enjoy watching my video, guys, and if you really like it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be updated in all of my next videos. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my video. I love you all. Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. So